Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel and affirm a loan. Now, for pre-cancellation requirements, you're going to need to review your loan terms to understand any potential cancellation fees or penalties that you might incur in doing this. You could also check if your loan is eligible for cancellation by first contacting a firm's customer service. So now that we have that out of the way, let's check out how to perform this cancellation. The first method is to do so online. You can just log into your Affirm account online and go to the loan tab and then click the cancel loan next to the loan that you want to cancel. You could also do so phone. Just call a firm's customer service at the number right there on the screen to just request loan cancellation. You could also use email, so you can just email a firm support at email address right there on the screen to request loan cancellation. Now, there are some potential cancellation fees that y'all should be aware of. Depending on the loan terms, you may be charged a cancellation fee, and also you may still be responsible for interest charges accrued before cancellation. So these are things you got to take note of. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.